Protecting your data with encryption.
Encryption is a vital method to keep sensitive files and information safe. By turning data into unreadable code, encryption makes sure that only people with the right password or key can access the original content. In this video, you'll learn basic encryption techniques in Python so you can start protecting your own data right away.
Understanding how encryption works.
The process scrambles information using a specific method known as an algorithm. When you want to access this data again, you use a key or password and decrypt it, returning it to its original form. This process helps prevent unauthorized access, even if someone gets hold of your files.
Setting up your Python environment.
To begin, make sure Python is installed on your computer. You'll also need the cryptography library, which you can add easily with the command pip install cryptography. This library provides tools for simple yet strong encryption in your Python projects.
Encrypting text in Python.
Here's a basic example using the cryptography module. From cryptography.fernet, import Fernet, key equals Fernet, generate key. Fernet equals Fernet key, encrypted equals Fernet.encrypt, b, your data here. This code creates a unique key, encrypts your message, and produces unreadable text. Save the key. It's needed to decrypt your data.
Decrypting your data safely.
To read your protected information again, use the same key. Decrypted equals Fernet.decrypt, encrypted, print decrypted.decode. This restores your original message. Losing the key means you cannot decrypt your data, so always keep it someplace secure.
Best practices for data encryption.
Always use strong, unique keys for each project. Avoid sharing your keys publicly or storing them in the same place as your encrypted data. Regularly update your encryption methods and back up important keys, ensuring your sensitive information stays protected from prying eyes.